What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about setting up a shared calendar for all your users within Microsoft 365. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about setting up a shared calendar within your Microsoft 365 to share it out to all your users or to certain users. It's up to you, right? So the first thing that we need to do is log into your Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which will be right here. Yes. Now, on the left-hand side, we are going to click on Teams and Groups. We're going to click on Shared Mailboxes, and we are going to click on Add a Shared Mailbox. We're going to give our shared mailbox a name as well as an email, and this is what I provided. I'm going to click on Save Changes, which is located at the lower left-hand side. Your shared mailbox was created. Awesome. So on the upper right-hand side, let's exit out of this. And there goes our shared mailbox. Great. Now, let's head over to Active Teams and Groups. Let's click on the Security Groups tab. Let's click on Add a Security Group. Provide a name as well as a description. It's up to you with the description, but I typically like to do this. And I insert the following. Awesome. Let's click on Next. Click on Add Owners. And, add all the owners that you want. I'm going to add myself. On the lower left-hand side, we're going to click on Add. We're going to click Next here. And this is where you're going to add all the members. Okay. Once you add all the members, click on Next. Now, provide a group email. And I'm going to provide the following. Nice. Now, for the communication setting, I can't really tell you to enable this or disable this. This is really up to you. But if you enable it, this allows people outside of your organization to email this particular group. For me, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to leave it as is. And I'm going to click on Next. A nice little review. And we're going to click on Create Group. Group was created successfully. Awesome. So at the very bottom, let's click on Close. Excellent. Now, we need to open up PowerShell. You can open up PowerShell or PowerShell ISE as an administrator. I like to use PowerShell ISE, and here it goes. Bingo. Now, the first command that we need to run would be the following, and we need to connect to the Exchange Online. So we're going to run this, and you're going to get this prompt. Now, enter your full email address as well as the password, and hopefully your account has MFA enabled. Enter the MFA credentials to continue. Now, this account has to have full global admin access to do this stuff, okay? Once you establish that connection, at the very bottom of the ISE, the terminal prompt, you're going to see all this yellow stuff. Basically, you're connected, which is great. Now, the next command that we need to run will be the following. We're going to be running get mailbox with a parameter of identity and the email address of our, calendar or our shell mailbox. And then from here, we're going to pipe it with get mailbox folder statistics with a parameter of folder scope calendar. And we're going to pipe it again with format table identity and name. The reason that we're running this because we are going to be using the identity for this output. So we're going to run this command. This is what we need, the identity part. We're going to copy this, but we need to make some modifications. Now, the next command that we need to run would be the following. We're going to be running add mailbox folder permissions with a parameter of identity. Then the identity that we just got, but we're going to change it because we're going to remove all the numbers and we're going to be using our domain, :/calendar. We're going to use a parameter of user and basically the group that we created with basically a parameter of access rights and editor. We're going to run this and that's it. So basically what we did with this command is the following. Whoever's inside this particular group is going to have editing rights to this share mailbox only for the calendar section of this share mailbox. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.